I guess if I just push it right in there, it'll work. Maybe I should get this one in there a little closer too. Okay. Get it on the step, I get it on the step, right? Then I'll have to cut it in again. That'll be okay. It'll be okay. There. Okay. Go. Wow, that's looking good. That'd be looking good. Actually, it looks like there's a little stucco missing down here, so just take my putty knife and stick a little bit in there. Almost done that around the edges, huh? Like this. See, I can see down in there where the stucco's actually low, and so I'm just going to take the my putty knife and use that. That's looking good there. Like that. Forgot I could do that. My putty knife's sitting right there. Silly beanie. Now see this area here. There's a big impression there. See right in there. Let's see if I can't make that look a little better. I can't put some of this in there. This stuff really sticks well. Stays right where you put it too. I'm gonna have to stick some more in there, back in here. Looks like even more. Okay. Okay. Try to keep it off the step as best I can. Blend it in. That looks a lot better, huh? Now see, I got it kind of smooth, but I think that's just how I'm going to have to leave that. This one I've noticed, this patching, the sand bits aren't as thick as the other, the drive it. See right in there, might as well fix that too. If this sand was bigger pieces of sand, it would actually mimic the other better. Because when I put this on and flatten it out, it doesn't leave as many holes as the other sand grit material. You know? That's what I call it, stucco patch. Patch is a patch is a patch is a patch is a patch. No ifs, ands, or buts. Only so good you can get a patch. See, I could have taken my my roller cover. I guess I still could. Let me get it. I'm going to get my roller cover and I'm going to go over that and see what happens. Here's the roller cover I used from before. Okay. And it's pretty stout now. And let's just maybe go over that. Is that gonna do anything? Yeah, a little bit. See, it kind of mimics what's over the rest. Okay, so now I'm going to do it in that corner too. Let's see. Let's see if I can't just can't do it too hard. Okay, that, and then I can kind of take my paintbrush. Well, I guess that's not working, is it? Thought I would be able to do something with the paintbrush. take my my putty knife and knock down the high edges. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.